Hey guys, welcome back to Noah's Fast RC. Got the package, the wheels that I mentioned in the previous video for my Red Cat Gen 8 International Scout 2. I went this morning and get the package and it was already there, so I'm gonna open it up and see. I want to show you what I got for the Gen 8. I hope they turn out to be really nice. They look really nice when I bought them off eBay. So, hoping that they are as nice as they appear to be on eBay. There's some aluminum beadlock wheels with all the hardware with the center cap and everything on it. Look at that, guys. It's awesome. Really, really nice. This is center cap, also aluminum. Which goes there. Beautiful piece of work. Super, super nice. So yeah, guys, that's the hardware right there. It's more like a, looks like more like a what do you call it? Black chrome. It's not really black chrome, but it's, I don't know, it's some very different colors, like gray, dark gray. And guys, it's just amazing quality of the wheels. I was going through eBay and I was looking for some wheels for the Red Cat Gen 8, and I ran came across these, and man, they really caught my attention. I didn't want anything like chrome. I wanted more darker color. So yeah, it's beautiful. This is all the hardware. Anyhow, guys, I just wanted to share this with you. And hope you think they're nice, because they sure look real nice to me. Really nice. Okay guys, we'll talk to you later, and I'll show you one of the wheels whenever I get it installed on the Red Cat. Alright, talk to you later. Bye.